Ciao, mi chiamo Finley. Welcome to this week's online streamed assembly.
Welcome back to week 8. I hope you had a great weekend. We are in our second week of looking at courage for reception to year 2s, and for 3s, from 4 to 7 we're looking at compassion. So it'd be great to see those skills continuing this week. I talk to kids a lot about having courage when maybe they're having some challenges in the yard, or when work might be hard in class. Having the courage to keep going and keep persisting. And of course with compassion, I think the world we're living in the moment, everyone is showing a lot of compassion towards each other and empathy, which is fantastic. And at school we love seeing that also transfer to supporting each other and looking at someone else's issues and helping them through that, and above all, getting along. This week I talked to teachers about various things that we like to focus on as well, and a quote that I've talked about is about happiness, and the happiest people don't have the best of everything, they just make the best of everything. So I've talked to teachers this week to try to make the best of everything we can, and I encourage you as students as well. We can't always be happy, but it's just about trying to make the best of what happens each day. Hope you have a great week, and see you next week.
Hi Emily, you want to talk to everybody about what you and the grade 6s have been doing in science the last couple of weeks around sort of sustainable energy.
Okay, so in science we've been trying to create a water wheel. So in my team was myself, Emily, Ava, Izzy and Aisha. The learning intention was to work collaboratively through the engineering design process to construct a working water wheel that could lift or winch at least one fireman.
Your group did an amazing job. When the water hits here, what happens?
The
Wheel turns?
The wheel turns when the water hits the spoon, and then that makes the fireman go up the pole.
Gets winched up. He does. And everyone did a fantastic job in grade 6, so well done to everybody. The collaboration was amazing, problem solving awesome. And I have a special award for Emily Humphrey here and Lila Nield, who can't be here, but I wanted to congratulate you for outstanding leadership, persistence and achievement in all success criteria components of the Year 6 Water Wheel project. Well done.
Thanks.
Give her a clap, everyone.
Hi, we are from Enviro Tech. I'm Aaliyah. I'm Anu. And we're going around to see if everyone has please turn off your light switches on top of the light switches when they go out the room.
Cool.
To save electricity.
So well done, guys. You'll save electricity for our site. Good luck.
Thank you.
Just a reminder to tell you that all of the newsletters are displayed outside of the library if you wish to have a look. Now I'd like to hand it over to Keely.
This fortnight, one of our other goals that we're working on is tightening tension. So there's a paragraph about tightening tension in the newsletter, and I'd like to read it out. So it says, "You must believe the hero, male or female, will fail. The tornado is too strong, the villain is too evil, the black forces of depression are too overwhelming. Yet, through strength, talent and determination, somehow our hero wins. To persuade, not just set out facts, you have to build up momentum. Start strong, but save your best arguments and persuasive techniques for near the end. Good luck with your writing."
This week's goals are resilience and persistence, which reflect on this rule. We don't come to school to be better than others. We come to school to be better than ourselves by being able to work with others. The main purpose of this is to pursue your personal best no matter who you work with.
Okay, so for courage this week, we're focusing on the green rule, which, as you can see, is be brave to participate to progress. So basically what it means is that school is about stepping bravely into the unknown. The unknown is often uncomfortable, but the braver you are, the more you learn. Yeah.
Thank you for watching the Week 8 Assembly. I'll see you next week. Bye.